Modern concierge, do you ever extend into more complex or sensitive situations, or do you really stick to sort of just requests for, as you mentioned, gift scenarios, etc.?
I don't think we've gone into too many of those crazy scenarios, but we have been a lot involved in the preventative of those kinds of things. So we do a lot of health. A lot of our clients are health conscious. So we have a lot of clients that will have private health care, or they'll go do those MRIs, or we do a lot of personal training. There's been times where a client will go to, say, MedCan and get a report that says you really need to watch your health, and then they handed us that report and said, here's my thing, I need to get someone to cook for me to make sure I'm getting all the right foods. So to a small degree, yes, but I would say not so much on the health risk side that we've done. And it's not to say we wouldn't, it's just we haven't so far. But we do help them with a lot of the preventative. So, but what I will say is that the most complex kind of things would be moves, especially international moves. We've done a few of those. We've had clients move to Rome. We've had clients move to the US. You know, when a client has a baby on the way, moving, and it's not just a move, it's not just packing here, moving there. It's like doing all the regular things that are, we've been part of some really complex situations.